We will using total dissolved solids meter. It's here to check what's the difference, what's happened after you boil water from a sink. Okay, that is water from a sink and that is boiling water. Okay, let's check how many solids. Alright, first we turn on. Okay, it's 0. It's showing for 72. It's a little bit hard water. Lots of solids in the water. Okay. Now let's see boiling water. It's showing actually higher, 503. It's look like boiling, making water more harder, more dissolved solids in water. And if anybody have problems with kidneys, it's better to drink soft water. Hard water is just hard for kidneys. Doctors recommended soft water drink. And just like this. Thank you for looking. Good luck.